In day 3, we learned what an AI API is. Today, we learned what an AI workflow is. An AI workflow is a sequence of steps that turns input into output. This workflow has 4 simple steps: collect input, prepare the prompt, send it to the model, and show the final output. The first step is collecting user input. In this example, the user asks the system to explain AI in one sentence. The second step is preparing the prompt. The application changes the user input into a clearer instruction for the AI model. The third step simulates calling an AI model. The model receives the prompt and returns an answer. This is still a simulation, not a real paid API call. The final step is showing the answer to the user. This is the output of the workflow. Now I run the file, and Python prints each step of the AI workflow. The output shows the complete workflow: input, prompt preparation, model answer, and final output. This is the basic structure behind many AI-powered applications. Today you learned that an AI workflow is a sequence of steps from input to output. In the next lesson, we will learn what an AI agent is.